You install one package for your AI agent, and suddenly a totally different project breaks. Sound familiar? That's not bad luck. That's Python sharing one global toolbox between all your projects. Today we are going to fix that. By default, Python installs everything globally, one shared folder for every project on your machine. If project A needs an old version of a library and project B needs the new one, only one can win. That's the problem virtual environments solve. Each project gets its own private, isolated copy of Python packages. Isolation means no more conflicts. Meet Python's virtual environment. It's built right into Python, officially recommended since Python 3.5. No extra install needed. Python mvenv.venv that creates a .venv folder, a self-contained mini Python install just for this project. Use source.venv/bin/activate to activate the environment. And activating it tells your terminal, use this Python, not the system one. Now that you're inside your isolated environment, pip is your package installer. It pulls from PyPI, the Python package index, basically the app store for Python libraries. Pip install OpenAI, installing an SDK for your AI agent. This only affects this environment, nothing else on your machine. Pip install requests == 31.0. Need an exact version? Pin it like this. Reproducibility means repeatable results. And here's the pro move. Freeze your exact setup into a file so anyone can recreate it. Pip freeze requirements.txt. Now teammates or your CI pipeline just run pip install -r requirements.txt and they get the exact same environment you have. No works on my machine excuses. Now if you want to level up, meet UV. It's a newer tool written in Rust, built by the team behind the rough linter, and it's become the go-to for a lot of AI and ML projects because it's absurdly fast and it replaces like 5 tools at once: pip tools, pipx, poetry, and Python. UV init my agent, cd my agent, UV add OpenAI Anthropic. One command creates your project, one command adds dependencies, and behind the scenes, UV is writing a log file, updating your pyproject.toml, and creating your virtual environment automatically. UV run main.py, and UV run, it just runs your script inside the right environment. No manual activation needed. UV means v+v, nv plus poetry minus the weight. So which one should you use? venv+pip, built into Python, everyone knows it, great for scripts and learning. UV, extra install but tiny. Newer, growing fast, great for real projects. So which do you pick? If you're just starting out or working somewhere you can't install extra tools, then stick with venv and pip. It's the standard everyone knows. But if you're building a real AI agent project with a bunch of dependencies, UV will save you serious time and headaches. But no matter which tool you pick, there's one rule that matters more than anything else. Never install your AI agent's dependencies globally. Isolate every project, pin your versions, keep a log file or requirements file. That's how your agent runs the same way on your laptop, your teammate's laptop, and your CI pipeline every single time. That's all about virtual environments and package management. You can check links to official docs in description box. Hit subscribe so you don't miss next videos in this series. Drop your feedback and questions in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one.